Good afternoon to everybody. We have seen some more problems in multiple and improper integrals. Now we are going to see about the fifth problem. Fifth one, integrate limit a tends to minus infinity, integral of minus infinity to 1 divided by 2x minus 1 the whole squared into dx. We have to solve for the value. Solution, limit a tends to minus infinity, integral of minus infinity to 1 divided by 2x minus 1 the whole square into dx. For this we have to put u equal to 2x minus 1, differentiating du equal to 2 into dx, then dx equal to du by 2. We have to replace all the equation by u. Therefore, limit a tends to minus infinity, integral of minus infinity to 1, this 2x minus 1 equal to u, then 2x minus the whole squared equal to u squared. Therefore, 1 by u squared into du by 2. Then taking this 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2, limit a tends to minus infinity, limit minus infinity to 1 by u squared into du equal to 1 by 2 into limit a tends to minus infinity, integral of minus infinity to 1. This 1 by u squared can be written as u power minus 2 into du. Then for the integration work we have integral of minus u squared du equal to 1 divided by 2x minus 1 is u squared equal to square into du. Then integral of 1 divided by 2x minus 1 the whole square into dx equal to integral of 2x minus 1. These can be written as minus power 2 into dx. X power n equal to x power n plus 1. Integration of x power n into dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n equal to minus 2. Therefore, 2x power minus 1 the whole power minus 2 plus 1 that is minus 1, and minus 2 plus 1 that is minus 1. Thus that minus 1 is minus. This whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Then limit 1 divided by 2, limit a tends to minus infinity, minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 the whole power minus infinity to 1. Then this can be substituting the limits, upper limit 1, lower limit minus 1. You have 1 by 2 integral of 1 by 2, open the bracket, minus 1 divided by 2 into x. Instead of x, substituting the upper limit 1 minus 1, then minus of minus 1 divided by the lower limit is minus infinity, 2 into minus infinity minus 1. Therefore, the value is equal to half into minus 1 by 1, that is minus half.